not call that shit. You good? Go. Good. Once he didn't call it. Oh. Dead. His hands were... I didn't hear it hit, so that's why I kept shooting. Oh, come on! Oh my god. Hold it! He is not calling! Thank you. Oh, come on! Are you hit? Are you...
Just keep shooting them.
Oh my... Hit! Oh, come on! Yeah, damn it. Oh, that's so close. Dead. Hi. I'm friendly.
Do you want to wrap around? Like there, go to
I don't really want to. Last time I tried, I died.
Dude, were you up there the whole time? Ah. That was nice. Nice, man. Oh shit, where did it drop?
It went into there, and then it went right into there. Oh, here, wait. I got a present for you.
I forgot my grenade.